Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele washing machine and you are getting an error F140. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So unfortunately, if you do have this error, sort of your only option is to call a technician. It's not exactly, the fix is not exactly localized, although the error is a fault or an error in the drainage dispenser unit. Getting it fixed is not going to be that easy for just a regular person. However, before you call, spend your money and time and everything on a technician, I would recommend that you try a hard restart on your machine, which is to turn it off and cut power to it for a full minute. So turn it off, unplug it from the wall, or turn it off at the circuit, leave it off for a full minute, and then once that minute is up, you can turn it back on, try to run a cycle, and see if the error doesn't come back. And if it doesn't come back, that's great, it's been cleared out. And if not, you're really going to need to call a professional to help you. So anyways, I hope this video at least helped you figure out what's going on with the machine. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.